I've been asked to do something again. Oh, it's me lang pala. So, want me to pick her graduation picture frame. Ambot sa tawag ato tayo. So, let's go. Already here in our school. This is our gymnasium. They told us to be here at 9 to get the frame early, but it's already 12 p.m. and still I didn't have it. My God, Filipino time. OMG. Oh, so ingay. Finally, I got it na. I'm going home na, guys. This is the frame that I get in the school. My sister's grad pic. So, I'm not here in the picture because I'm in Pampanga. So, yeah. So, hello guys. Good morning. We're going to school now. That's your friend? Asa imong classroom? Oh, sud na imong tubig oh. Tubig. Yeah. Bye-bye. While waiting him, let's just visit the park. This is our park, guys. Plaza. There's the church there. So that's the playground. Let's play, everyone. There's a lot of things to do. Now let's go to the Baywalk. My Nipis class ends at 11, so I've got still time since it's just 8 a.m. There's a lot of street cleaners here. There's catching fish using the net. I blurred. I'm alone, Richard. I'm alone. It's not crowded because it's class hours and weekdays. So look at that. People on the race. It's gone, guys. It's dirty because it's been raining here, and you know, you look at that. They didn't clean it. I don't know why. Maybe it's dangerous to clean that one. It's we don't know what's the ano, diba? Oh, there is it. Still under construction. And the port, right? You can see the port. And hello, doggy. He's alone also. So, I don't know what to say. Look at that. It's low tide. It's very peaceful, guys. You can think talaga. You know what? I really enjoy being alone, but I also enjoy being with friends and families. But, kalkag buhok. The water here is not clear. It's brown. It's been raining here. Maybe there's LPA, that's why. So our municipality and the food court just beside the municipality. Ayambot. The only one, like, enjoying being alone. Like, there's no one who's yak-yakking you. No, bunga. Hi. No one's bothering you. Like that. It's very nice being alone, eh? But I don't know why people like being with their... I also like naman. Going back na eh. I don't know why people scared being alone. But I'm not. I like being alone. I still believe that the saying, no man is an island, because we still need someone. Like, oh, we need the farmer to have something to eat, and also people, like, you can share your stories, your dramas. Like, you need someone to rely on. But yeah, it's also nice to being alone. Man good ay ambot ay. I can but don't be afraid to be alone, guys. It's also nice. That's the food court. There's still a first people there, like the workers of the municipality. That's the municipality. So this is the front of our municipality, guys. The plaza. Look. Our national hero was Rizal. And this is the playground. That's our cultural center. That one, and our court. That's our court. Front of our church. It's very nice. Ukay, ukay. School. Ha? Kumusta school? Uy. Okay ra? Did you behave well? Where? Let me see daw. Oo. Wala ihugaw. Nagsulat ka. Sure?
Oo.
Bantay ha. I-check na ako ha. Look at me daw. Gwapo. Nag-iingon? You want to be strong? Why? Giaway, daay ka? Anong giaway man ka? Ayaw pagpangaway, prade ka awa yun. You're tired? Ah, nag-play di ay. No. Sige day kagduwa. Dala na imuha ng gamit. Maybe. Give it to tita. Give da yun. Your envelope ba? Envelope. Oh, habi lang water bala kay. Faster. Did you eat the donut?
Ano kayo?
Very good.